Oh yeah. Big shout to BearTees592.
Link in the description.
Oh yeah. So right now, okay, so you're gonna watch me beat up a chair. And it's a dumb chair because it's not PewDiePie chair.
Me beating up a chair.
Yeah, it's gonna be in the comments.
Yeah, there's gonna be a link in the comments. It's gonna be pinned. A link to the video that I made where I beat up my chair.
Yeah, his chair was nicer than mine though. Okay.
You gonna beat up your chair yet?
Yeah, I'm gonna beat it up.
Parents are home, so you're not gonna get in trouble.
Kids, never beat up your chair. Because
I'm a preteen.
Hey.
And so are you.
I'm basically a teen in 1 month. Like, not even 1 month, in like a week.
I'm a preteen, so I'm not a kid anymore. Haha, I'm allowed beating up chairs.
Okay, so you see kids, you see my elbows, right? So I'll use it one at a time.
Oh no, I'm not a kid. Babies can beat up chairs because they have no idea what the frick they're doing.
Oh yeah, by the way, subscribe to me or I'll take your cookies.
Yeah, because he's apparently Mr. Beast's. He's apparently Mr. Beast's nephew.
Yeah, and PewDiePie's my uncle. I have 2 uncles.
PewDiePie and Mr. Beast. I don't believe you on PewDiePie. I only believe Mr. Beast. Kind of. You said you were gonna text him and I couldn't see your screen. And you told me not to see it.
Yeah, because it was a money transaction. You know? Okay, my fist hurts now. Look at my fist, guys. See my fist? Like, it's not cool. You see it? It's not cool. No. Ah! My ears are bleeding. No! Okay, now, okay.
Wait, I'm gonna do a re. I wanna do a re.
No, wait, you can do a re after it. You can do a re after it.
Ever.
You can...
That was a very long re, right?
Okay, this is how you suffocate a chair. So you get a blanket or whatever you use it, and you do this. And then you get a card and go, okay, I got your name. Like that. And then you get a bottle and go. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a shorter video than usual. Just letting you know, because I'm doing 2 in 1 day. You want one of these? See?
What? I want some Coke.
Too bad. You see? Every person that
you told me I was gonna get that Christmas tree that Christmas tree thing tomorrow. Remember?
What?
That you were gonna give me that Christmas tree thing tomorrow. Remember?
What do you mean Christmas tree?
You said that on Friday.